Already. Keisha?
Yeah. Keisha.
Telling us that probably we get a video, probably not. But when we see outcome, but I get to Philly cheesesteak first, I then talk to them when I reach home. Cause like y'all, I can't just go with your whole light, so can't just fling your whole light, man. You see me, nothing just relax. I got my food, I got my food, I got my food, you know what I'm saying? My food. Yo, that one.
Yo, chat. Alright, Supreme is back, bro. Oh my god, this nigga, bro. I think this nigga spared me, bro. Y'all seen the last video when she left? This nigga in New York. I see the girl, bro, in the thumbnail, bro. It looks like her, bro. Did I just get YouTube, bro? Supreme. Really, that's like one dog. Like, man, dog. Don't tell me you fake that shit, bro. I'm out here thinking this nigga authentic and shit, bro. You know, let me watch the video before I even say anything, bro. I'm saying, like, subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Another Supreme vlog. Tag.
You.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. What's going on with the visuals? Wait, it's lagging, chat. Y'all not seeing nothing? Hold on. No, let me refresh chat. Let's refresh chat. Let's refresh. We fix this shit, chat. Let's go. Let's get it.
You.
Let's get I've been in New York the whole time, bro.
It's your boy Supreme. I'm here back with another video. Y'all make sure to like, share, and subscribe. As you guys can see by the thumbnail and title, it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? But hear me, I say we are going to Delhi right now because we are get something to eat because we're hungry or frig. So y'all boys, let's get it. Yeah, big bro. That's so big. Can't be afraid. Yo, with the power we got the frigate. Delhi right now. Hear me, I say. Make sure you know slap that subscribe button right now. Me know the day I look for me and I say, why him just a tell if you subscribe, y'all? I some how much a percent on watch and a subscribe, so make sure to subscribe right now and turn on that post notification there so you get notified when you get new video. Please, I'm begging y'all.
Bro, like 98% of y'all that watch my videos are not subscribed. Subscribe, bro. What are you doing? Subscribe to the main channel at least. God damn. You know I'm a bit more inconsistent over there, but like, come on, man. Give me the HBO experience, man. The help a lot experience. Subscribe.
Damn!
My eye on you, all right? I'm not sleeping.
Yeah, man, everything good, man. Alright, y'all. Look at we get them. Let me see what we get. Santi, let me get a Philly cheesesteak on a roll. Yeah, man, everything, Panny. Man, you see Philly cheesesteak on a roll? I bought this thing. I bought this damn thing. Look at them. I saw no comments from the last video. Man, if you don't watch the previous video, when you don't know a video set already. Keisha? Yeah. Keisha. Telling us that probably we get a video, probably not. But when we see outcome, but I get to Philly cheesesteak first, I then talk to them when I reach home. Cause like y'all, I can't just go with your whole light, so can't just fling your whole light, man. You see me, nothing just relax. I got my food, you know what I'm saying? My food. Yo, that one to that pussy.
Run. Bitches too much, sir. Like, y'all probably won't have that problem because y'all don't get no bitches, but like, I'll be around there. You know what I'm saying? I'll be doing this too.
Hey, that black big pussy when I show them, man, them, yo, them pussy with your money, you know? Them pussy, he come like, it's a pussy, is like, him a turn out, fit on one, when they call him sitting there. Watch him, look there. Hey, kitty. Kitty.
What hey,
kitty. Him big, yo, frig you. Come like he pussy with Niam, yo. Yo. And look on that. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Me know what I say. Super. We're going with Keisha. We're going with this. Eventually, guys, Keisha, they text me back. and she did reach home safe and say me did tell her that already. Yeah. He actually apologized to walk because guys, let me say I saw me she's super chat girl. She saw something in my phone and she did. So guys, I know like say I do not I know like say yo I do this and the girl begs and no.
What are you saying, man? What are you saying? What is he saying?
She stopped me on my phone. She begs to cut. Valid. But she need to cut though. She's supposed to pull up. So I go wait for her for forward. Morning just like me eat some breakfast, then I go collect some things and then later she says she go pull up. So we don't know where I go yet guys, but you know where I go. Probably we go look at something. But she finna pull up and I'm currently Uber right now. I go drop off one shoes for my sister because the thing what them call it. Me did buy one shoes for my sister. Guys, if you don't remember my sister, in my first vlog. She did my first vlog. She did come up here with me. When you see my sister crosses, my sister never wanna come with me again. Because me they gonna make my sister come up here and argue with my summer. Sister can't argue with my summer. You see me guys? So me depend me we go Uber in our next. Me go to our next location so me can drop off the shoes so then can go Jamaica give my sister. Yeah y'all, we're back here. Guys, just go sit down. Cause then good I say, what is your cross is your man name? Man name see Keisha you back in a place. You run away and come back. Bro, why you have to walk? You need to walk away, you know? Them cuss you.
Chat the accident chat.
Then cuss you. She need even do that intense. She have to walk away. You need to walk away. You need to walk away.
Don't play.
You need to walk away, Keisha.
Don't play.
Bro, Keisha need to walk away because when she met it and she say you could actually turn her easy yourself. You just Bexy.
Anyways.
Let them see your feet. Cause me even
No, you get up.
Me what?
You get up and then me get up after.
Let them see your feet. The bomb. She got the ear turning right there. Shit. Man, Keisha do her own ear, you know. Boss down and sit in a bad girl, you know. Alright, so she show them my feet now, dog. Show them my feet. You see, if you don't watch the last video, you know, say, this me a beat, man, them, you know, AP for my wrist. AP for my wrist, you know. I saw a chain 25k. The man can't really talk to me, you see me? I mean, I'm Air Force cost like 190 or something like that, you know. They have a big pants, you know, man, them pants are big Africa, they ain't sitting, you see me? I have a little nice shirt and sit. Me calm down. Me calm and sitting. Alright. And he said them and them. But what we they do right now? We they are with Pani Uber. If we go where we are go. We actually are go bowling. Boy, you know some. Few man them me never yet go bowling. Keisha yet never go bowling. So I first see everything. You see me? Cause me is a man, you know. Me know say when me do bowling, me have to do it good. You feel like you do bowling good? Was the person a fool? Was it actually, really and truly? It's in your walkway. It's in your walkway. And me walk back at you. Me don't walk back a little bit. You see me?
You never turn back.
You never turn back? Me don't walk back a little bit and then by the time I look over something, I don't see you're gone. And then you come call my phone now. I tell, my name is Shabal.
Oh, yo, stop telling her, bro. Yo.
My name is Keisha say sit down.
Yo.
Funny step.
Hey.
Oh, I Bill no for true. I never do that.
Say God do. She said me left her and she left me.
Yo.
What you mean? Are you left me? But are you no you left me?
No.
You see a girl unfair when she do things and when me react to it, it might make it look like say. Are you starting, you know? If any walk, you know, so nobody didn't want to go. Would I just go home together? That's it, Uber come. Come on, baby girl.
No, that's something crazy, bro. See, I thought, boy, yo, she acting like, yo, he just little part of she, like, you know, they were, may have that the context in the actual vlog, but like, yo, good screenshots, like, follow her, but like, she just disappears and like, what even, like, dog, like. Shit, if I have to go home, then go home, I go. Can't find her. I don't know, maybe I'll be having locations. I'll be having your friends' locations, like.
Let's get it. There we go. Come over here. My name, you have to be gentleman, you know? Open the door for her. I always open the door for the young lady. Hey, what's up? Yeah, it's one.
How are you doing?
I'm fine. Yeah, be free in Uber right now. Come close down, come on, son. You free of me? So where?
Guys, we not Uber.
Make sure you not run. You see if you no bex and run we again, you know?
Yo.
Cause you see if you run we again, we not make up back nothing. We not talk about nothing.
See,
Nothing in my head, my head, look. Not for nothing in my head. Sure? Look at my head back and sit. Me good? Let me see enough head. You're very good. And as she do her ear, she talented. Man, me I tell her say start do what them call it? Hairdresser what they want call it. I think a cosmetologist that name. She tell me say I saw at cosmetology. Or you don't know? She you don't do she me tell her if it start do ear up here and she can literally charge people if you do it. What you did I say?
I'm gonna do it.
Why you not started?
I have to wait.
We are wait pan.
I'm gonna do it.
When?
I'll go.
Soon.
When? When is soon?
Bro.
Yes, guys, you say soon. You said already soon.
That
Soon we soon and soon till they are 35. You
Soon
still a say
till
soon. Keisha start do you have
17,
no
brother.
money. So the mole are they? It's sweet. Yeah?
Yeah.
You say anytime if you start YouTube, me tell them say me soon. Me alright, I know me not start yet. Me did start it. What do you do? Alright, you say me I do it now.
Give me
See?
time.
Me not give no time.
You
Start
know,
this
bro,
again.
you know, I'm YouTube, man. Say, your man soon. I say, wait for your chance to get a good bit, bro. Just start.
Oh, bro. Put in the work for her now. Man, they wanna put in the work for her now. You see, you see me whole arm there, so. Now me I go and see me. Wanna put in the work. Don't stop work. Man, probably.
Bro, the video, bro. Wake up out of my bed for conversation on you. Sleep, man, I sleep. Wake up, set my alarm, wake up, come on, bro.
If me inspire you, if you do this, because I really do not need something. I'm going to say me inspire, because I really across it, really and truly, don't. Really and truly. Really and truly. Me boss you live here. Come cologne smell, Kira. Smell cologne. Come cologne smell.
Smell alright. Mine smell better.
Okay, I have to tell you my neck is like, it's a kiss. Look. How come cologne like? Cologne is smell good, man. My name, she smell nice, you know, and she drip. I first be see Keisha drip, so.
Yo.
No, for true, come on.
No, for true.
My name normally when me and Keisha link up and say Keisha in a regular clothes, like sweats, you know. Keisha actually put that shit on today, twin.
Yes.
Baby girl. Oh, that song they go. I'm talking about any. And if he got this, can he got a speed? He met that shit. No, we didn't. Man, first me I wear big pants. So normally know say me in some friggin' tight pants and I say man that pants are big fit too, you know man. I know me maga already, so you know that set sitting. AP for my wrist, no ramp with my wrist. You see me? 20k USD. So what you try to say? No, so what you try to say?
Big cap up on the next chat.
No, so look at us, so what you try to say? Me not stay so? Keisha. Real diamond. 50k USD. Don't play with me here. Right now if I'm on thief this right now, they can't fix their life. So you go on. She don't know about soup. She don't know about soup. I'm that guy. I am that guy. Apologize to them.
Let's say if I want thief this I can't fix their life.
Sorry, guys.
Yeah, bo, she a walk with. It bought me, you know?
Is you, bro, like...
Yeah, man, them. Alright. Me take me wrong.
No, yeah, for real. What happens up here? What, like, you know, I have to tell you, like, if that private, like, what's your plan for, though? Like you did blatantly do something like top.
I know before Jesus assistant, you know, Bex. But look at her. That no give you one reason if you walk away.
You would have do the same thing.
Me gonna walk left here.
Me when I you.
Keisha.
Anyway.
Man, them. You know me is a grown adult. I'm a grown ass man. Grown ass man with beards and stuff. You know, sure right now, but when you know say if I'm me, I would be a grown ass adult and sit and talk about the situation. Me will never walk away. Man, name she's a girl. Me would worry about her safety, everything around you. Yo, you see, me a man, you know business, you know. And when she do things and she reach what she reach, she business. You know what should happen? You see when you left, you should have just say me catch up in our car top, dead.
Yo, why you would have
no, then
No,
you know what should I say?
Oh my God, me should have never known. I said, bro, no, the situation is kind of crazy because, like, bro, it's like with that friend. We get Keisha the game. She probably more used to the thing, but bro, Supreme to come over here, dog. Like the man don't live here, dog. Genuinely come over the man and left the man gone. Bro, it's a thing I say with the man the man over reach and yard, brother. My God. The man good at bro. Seriously, you know?
He did it. This and that you know, because you left me. Suppose me name you know me that argue with them both. Suppose me name know where me I got none to, like a first me I got man and you left me there.
But you didn't know.
You never know think about that. We know say you know that.
Me I say man them.
We know that.
Me I say suppose me didn't know a place. Should I just left me for dead there and thing. And that's so that you say super dead. Believe best and believe best. Why that's a Coney Island while ago? You want Coney Island in there?
Coney Island.
Man, guys, if you don't know, Coney Island is like, I just say I have rides. Why? But you don't know me mean, you don't know me I talk about. Like, swing, like, when is it like you talk to them. You can't say that already.
I roller coaster and them thing there, guys. No rides, for no ride pan and them thing there. And them stuff there for we ride pan.
For which we?
You know.
For you. For you.
For we ride pan. Because we're going to go there and we're going to ride.
No.
You're not going to ride.
It just sound bad.
We are going to ride.
It don't sound good. You know. We're going to
amusement park.
Partake in the activities that's there.
We are going to go up on the ride, them chat. We're going to ride.
That's still so nice, Keisha. Me tell you honest truth, man. You want to ride? I'll be a ride me. One thing and ride.
So we're not going to ride together?
No, but one thing and ride. Like,
guys, we are going to go up on the ride, man. We are going to ride.
Give me a camera. Guys, make sure to like, share, and subscribe.
Right, you go from
we're on our way to the bowling alley right now. So yeah, I gotta pay. It's on the road, man. Guys, let me wipe on real quick. And if you don't feel nice, go for it. Long story short, this is the good man done. Everyone say when you pull your chance down. Man, we can't go to the more copyright. Yeah, we here. We are at the whatchamacallit, the bowling alley. Yo, let me check the lock while I go, you know. Yo, me nearly bit nice. I swear to God. Hey, what's up? I'm fine. I must. Hey, what's up? Yeah, just me and her. Size shoe? We're 9. We're 7? I thought you were 8. She put me with that big. This is mine?
Would you like a half an hour or an hour?
Half an hour, an hour. An hour.
No, $82.
How much?
82.
Half an hour.
No, $82.
How much?
82.
Half an hour. Okay, bet. I'll do that. $52 for how much? Huh? Sure. It's on. You don't have to tap the screen. See? Yeah. That would be. Man, What you say? $52 half an hour. If just me and you. That is some crazy work right there. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Alright guys, the people over there make like millions of eyes. You see me? Player warning. Me no business. Thanks. So we have Super. And we have Keisha. Take a selfie of yourself. Isa. Come be cute, man. Yeah. Go take me a picture. Wait. Show me a picture there. Who first? Me first? Me first. No, shut up now. Shit. Daliana, no. And over this half your one. Daliana, have to wait. My first time at bowling. I'm sure now I'm doing it. Let's say, have you ever designer? Two left. See them there 7 points. I still my turn. Let me see. Who say if play? Who say if play now? My turn still. I still me.
Nobody watching.
I still me. What?
Learning for myself.
Did. Me lose that a few time now, Keisha. Man, then probably have to go put on voice isolation. A Keisha time now. You go. Eh? You hold it so like you put it on them in night. And you hold it. Push on it. Yeah. And do that. Yeah. Make it sway out. See what she have, man, then. Yeah, me? Yeah, liquor. Ready? Wanna? Take a look at time also. And go on. Yeah. No, Keisha, hold it. Look, let me show you. Hold on the camera. Yeah, hold it so. 2 on. Yeah, hold it so. Yeah, no go so. So, yeah, you can take a look at time and roll it, but make sure when you roll it, go down there. Yeah. You have to try, you know? If Keisha ever do better than me, let's not one. Come here, have to go again. 1 point. Man, them, she not good, man, them. She not good. I'm telling you. Keisha, focus, man, focus. I want they look like, see, I eat that, so. You lied, man. You lied. My turn, she lied. Hold on, man, let me show you with soup. Red, me I go with it. Right now, this is I use, can you have on ready now? Food. That one a lickler. You can use that one a lickler. Lickler all.
Yeah, you see the super.
I use that one. No, I don't like this. Watch. Basically, this one.
Watch. Walk up.
Straight in I make a lot. Everything. I do left, man. Why every time I do I left my mind? Why every time I do I left my mind? Hold on, party. It's my turn again. Now when I name Wheel Road. Alrighty. Man, I know every day at Christmas. Right, it look like Keisha beat me so. Two left. She feel like she better me, that's what she try to say. She feel light. Oh, you support it too? Bomba, you support it too? Who are you?
Bad, bro.
Just Trump.
And then me feel worthless. Me don't feel good. Let me see how much points I have. Okay. Harasada.
Bro, look no fuck. Oh my god.
No man, the worthless. Me man, next time. Get him on piece and right Harasada. Watch friggin' me. Harasada.
Bro, look at this little black. The phone is crazy. Goddamn. God, that is black.
Harasada. One left. I want left and then now give me back of that thing, you know. Wait. You know. My name Harasada. Guys, sorry if in a load your frig, I people them and the music. Like my bad. Yes. Boy, you don't know you. But yo, me say the people over there, so they see me. Me can't enjoy me little time like them alone can make it most nice. Jesus Christ, why you don't have to? Yep, ready. Yeah man, Keisha, you want this man. She want this man then. She want this man then.
Type shit.
She want this. Look at this. Boy, you're not good at all, boy. Not at all. Eh? Alright. Guys, that's what she... Go on now.
Bro, what was that in the chat? I thought they was watching. Bro, them just now whole week down.
Look at the guys, right now, my camera, it has saved some sitting. I'm Keisha phone. So look at them. Keisha no good none time. Man, look how we spikes right now. With the 54, Keisha the 53. Yo, we kinda close, you know? Kinda close-ish. But I might turn now. What I want is. Guys, look, you can't see-ish. But I might.
Who that in the back?
With the 54, Keisha the 53. Yo, we kinda close, you know? Kinda close-ish. But
who that in the back?
I might turn now. What I want is.
Who that in the back?
Guys, look, you can't see. I want this to see you. It's a video they must see. Me have to make the still see what I want. One of them twist and turn. I make your mother fight and go for and suck out sperm.
Damn.
Believe. How much that left for?
Number 8.
My trusty balls.
Hey, ball.
Man, at least me a go on, but me not go on bad. No, me not go on bad. What you feel? Like you feel me ass or you feel what? What you know about me?
Overthinking.
The score close enough. Wait, what happened?
Chill out, loud.
Oh, the game done. I me win. The game done. Man,
You need
I
that
know say I
job.
the happy me. If I the she win, it corrupt. You see me? Is that a new game?
Look, if me never discover by yourself,
Eh?
if me never discover by yourself, would you win?
She don't score by man. So we time up. I think we did get like half an hour or something like that. So we just there exploring them. Everything back there shows ya. You see me? Man them, that bowling little thing there, it is sweet, man. I'm not gonna tell no lie. It's sweet, man. Keisha, you know sweet yeah. You just have smile. Yellow smile. Yo, Mr. Booba loves smile. Thank you.
It's like some kids, they come and it's like.
Let me get that. No, get that drink. No, get that drink. Need not own or drink responsibly. What are these? But anyway, only if I see them little play sitting here. Now play one game. What is? That looks like a foolish. They have candy. Oh, we got games over here, Keisha. We got games over here. This is $1. You want to play this? Or you want to play the gun game?
This.
How much this? $1. This? Zombie to backside. She said me okay like a goblin. But she's not busy, she will suck like a lolly. Yeah. We pay a fee that I got. I know for 2 player or 1 player. But I know see some player though. Only mine. You want to boss off of mine? Go on. Can boss off of me say. Kill them. Kill him. Yeah, I'm good. Reload.
What are they doing?
They on the bottom. Give me this. Deny it. Take out. Shotty. Where you fleeing?
Where am I?
You want to drive? You don't want to drive? You sure? You want to drive? Me would I make you drive? Me make you drive. Me a ride bike. Me just look panic. Keisha, you go and go ride. Me a drive. Go and go ride. You go. No, go, get up. Go ride. Go ride that bike. Go ride that bike. Bike one tough though, you know? I tell you the honest truth, man. Them. Bike one tough, you freak. Yeah, girl. Hold on. Type of the bike back, girl. Which bike can you use? Use the bike, yeah. Over. Right, this one, then you press. No, yo. And that? Yeah. You know if you ride bike? Lead it. You are going, you know, and them believe. Boss a wheel, I think you have to twist it like drive down 2 times. Like also, like boom. Yeah. I think of that bossy. Go on again. Yeah, man. Go in nitro, this is nitro, yeah. Here, look at nitro. Aye. Rim. Ride that bike. I cannot flip them there. Steering friggin' bike. What leg? My name is Keisha, go on, you know? Believe best. Let me drive a Corvette. Eh? First place you come? Box cover. Watching picture out there, sir, too. Enjoy mine. Want the song? Watch me there. See us players? Watch me there.
Second place, third place.
Oh yeah.
Second come dog. Me want this. Me no good none talk cause me fool. Me I hear that. Man, if I need real car, I don't know say me gone already. Me gone and sitting. You see me? Keisha come first. Pani Wumba bike right now, so you see me? But I know every day at Christmas. I mean I go argue with a man. You see me? Me not go tell you a lie. That was fun. And it's sweet though. Yeah, sweet, but the car are foolish. The car are hard for time. That game there? That game over there so foolish. Shit. That's not good none talk. Guys, we are got the McDonald's right now, so y'all finna see us at the McDonald's. Are we in McDonald's? Better that copyright. Guys, swipe off of that no man. Let me get copyright.
Yes,
you just a rinse the song. You just a rinse the song. So. Guys, we are we walk I go at the McDonald's right now. You can show me walk because Keisha says she see one McDonald's on them. I don't know which one is it.
See them?
Where? Oh, right there, sir?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Guys, this is a night. You want to come to the game?
Yes.
Go on. Yeah, good.
Shit, like one deal with
Alright, wait. Go on closer now. Go on, sir. Yeah, right there, sir. Put your foot on the back pan sitting. Yeah. Turn around now. Like you walk go down there, sir. No, like literally go in the road. Go in the road. Me, you're stubborn, you know. Walk go down, so walk go down your road. Walk go down your road. Yeah, walk go down the road fast. Like give me a pose and you walk go down your road. Turn around. Yeah, like you flash your ear, like no, like two and like you flash it back. Yeah. Galang way living lovely. Guys, we in a car right now. Keisha with the power we go back home. Keisha go up on the chain. My father go up on the chain. So today was a nice day. How was it for you? No man, they speak man. Me not like when people time to chat man. Talk. Start over what? Guys, how was your day?
It was good.
It was good? We'll start over. What do you think this is?
No, because...
What do you think this is? Guys, she feels a stage thing. You see anything how you go? I saw you go. Me now start over on the camera and go back. No. You guys will always see real stuff if you have me. You see me? Make sure to like, share and subscribe. And don't know sign up boys see but I never do. Do this. I'm out of here.
If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still? If I'm in my mind and where would you still?
Yes, Supreme need to copyright mechanic to copyright. No, so Supreme now mess up me money, so. Damn. Alright. And a Supreme video in the back. That was Supreme, man.
Play that shit.
God, sipping quickly, forgot it was mud. I don't cross, so I couple with.